A Cash App direct deposit usually fails when the employer uses incorrect account or routing details, or when Cash App cannot match the deposit information to an active account. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons direct deposits fail, how to check your Cash App banking details, and what steps actually fix the issue. Start with the most common failure point. Cash App direct deposits rely on two things: your account number and routing number. If either one is incorrect, the deposit will fail or get returned. Now explain what that means. Even a single wrong digit causes the payment to bounce back to the sender or payroll provider. Now explain where users usually mess up. Most people copy outdated banking details from old screens, or use the wrong Cash App account section. Cash App generates unique banking info inside the app, and it can change if your account settings are updated. Now, explain what to do first. Open Cash App and go to the Banking tab. Find your direct deposit account number and routing number, and confirm they match what your employer has on file. Now, explain another common issue. Some employers require a direct deposit form instead of manual entry. If the form is incomplete or missing fields, payroll systems often reject the setup. Now, explain timing issues. Direct deposits also fail when payroll systems are already locked for the current pay cycle. That means changes made too late will only apply to the next cycle. Now explain account status issues. If your Cash App account is restricted or has verification issues, deposits can be delayed or rejected. Now explain the main fix process. Step 1 is to recheck your routing and account numbers directly inside Cash App. Step 2 is to update those details with your employer or payroll provider. Step 3 is to confirm your account is fully verified and active. Now explain what to do if it still fails. If everything is correct, and it still fails, the issue is usually on the employer payroll side, or the bank processor side, not Cash App itself. Now summarize the core idea. Cash App direct deposit failures usually come from incorrect banking details or payroll setup issues. Fixing it requires verifying your routing and account numbers inside the app. And most problems are solved by correcting information before the next payroll cycle. One practical next step. Delete and re-enter your Cash App direct deposit details with your employer to make sure nothing is outdated or copied incorrectly. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes for everyday money app problems.